In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trailing management in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to find and use the trailing management tool inside your TradingView Pro platform. Make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open, because we'll be working directly on the chart interface. First, look toward the top of your TradingView chart for the indicators button. This is usually found on the main toolbar above the chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and add any indicator or script to your chart, including custom tools like trailing management. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search box at the top. Click inside that search box so it's active. This is important because TradingView has a huge library of indicators, and using the search field is the fastest way to find exactly what you need instead of scrolling through long lists. Now, in the search box, type in trailing management. As you start typing, TradingView will filter the results in real time. Look through the results and locate the trailing management tool you want to use. Make sure you choose the correct one that matches the name you typed, since there can sometimes be similar or copycat scripts. Once you've found it, click on it to add it to your chart. You should see it appear either as an overlay on your price chart or as a separate panel, depending on how the script is designed. At this point, trailing management is applied and you can start exploring its settings. Typically, you can open the settings by hovering over the indicator's name on your chart and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can adjust parameters like sensitivity, trigger levels, or how tightly the trailing feature follows price action. Spend a bit of time getting comfortable with those options so the tool matches your personal risk management style. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro, consider using the affiliate link in the video description. TradingView Pro unlocks additional features such as more indicators per chart, more alerts, and an overall smoother experience, which really helps when you're working with tools like trailing management on multiple charts and timeframes. That's all there is to it. Click on Indicators, use the search box, look for trailing management, and you're ready to integrate it into your trading workflow using TradingView Pro.